Hi guys, welcome back to our channel How Logical. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to download or install Adidas Training by Runastic. To do so, follow some simple steps with me. First of all, go to your Play Store or App Store. Then search Adidas Training by Runastic. There you can see Adidas Running, Run and Workout. Tap on it, then press Install. It might take a while to install the app depending upon your internet speed. Once the app has been installed, open the app, then enjoy using Adidas Running to help you with your fitness journey. This much for today's video. If you guys find our video helpful, please give a like and comment down your thoughts on this video. And do not forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Thank you.